You went swimming, huh?
See, I don't even know where my camera is right at the moment.
We went swimming. It's okay. I'm recording.
Oh.
Donna, hi everyone. You look gorgeous.
Here we go. Oh, right way. Right way.
Here we are, all outside.
He feels
Well,
much thicker than he looks. Yeah.
we're
Except for, they always weigh more than they look. You drink right here.
You did it.
Good job, buddy.
Are we having fun?
How
Pretzels.
about just take one? Just take one. There. Eat that one, and then you can get more. What's on your pants? What's on your...
It's blue, you're right. Fish.
Fish.
He's my little fob.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that ball.
Ooh, Spider-Man.
Oh, catch it, Grandma.
I did mine. She did mine.
Yeah, it is. It's Luke's ball. But we share, right? Lots of heroes.
Yeah,
we share.
I love this.
It's fun
I
to
love
share.
this Diego ball.
Yeah.
I think that's cool too.
That my
Tool.
I bought it.
That's your brother's?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, a big catch.
And your
And you
dad?
play catch?
Oh, play catch.
Like this.
Oh.
Like this? Oh, okay. Okay. Go ahead, Luke.
You have to warn Auntie. Say play catch.
We're going to play volleyball.
Oh.
Well, here comes Logan. He's nice and dry.
He's clean too. He got a bath.
You want some pretzels, buddy? Let me go get you. I'll refill this bowl.
Okay, we have enough.
The white one still has more, yeah?
Oh, they're behind empty bath.
Okay, I think that's good. Oh, playing in the cool yard. And the artificial grass, artificial turf.
Luke, show me. Whoa, that was close.
He usually makes it every time.
Whoa.
Good try.
So close.
All right. I think his...
He was intercepting you.
Yes. Oh. That ball is too bouncy, I think, huh, Luke? I think it's too bouncy. All right. Ooh. All right. One more time, Evan. Ready? Go. All right. Watch out for your face.
Oh, that was close too.
Okay, all done. Bye-bye.